we are really glad to show you about Mexico, about our beautiful country, and you're really, really welcome to come here and have a very nice time.
Gracias. Actually trapped in a lift now.
You call that radio TV?
Mexico. Can you tell me what I'm drinking here? What is this?
You're drinking pulque. Pulque is the fermented sap of the agave cactus. It's a drink of the gods, what the Aztec priests used to drink. And it's fucking lovely.
And it's good for you, good bacteria.
Good bacteria, good for your stomach.
Good for your stomach. It's cool, lovely. But definitely more arty than the fucking the Glasgow subway. Okay, so where are we? What is this?
Well, this is an amazing place because it has a very history, because here, this place right now, there are offices, architects studio, carpenters, agencies, very creative people. But this place was the housing of poor people, and we call a vecindad, families with not rich. And this was the place that they live. A lot of families were in this place, and they remodeled a little bit for these offices and studios that right now in what we have here.
Yeah.
Well, we want to make an experience, so Grace as a DJ was very important for us. The music, we want a very, I don't know how to say, sensorial experience for the people who comes here to see this photographic exposition and the music and the sunsets. And we love her music, we love the way that she really managed the sound.
Talk about mezcal for my Scottish viewers.
Yes, well, mezcal is a typical from Oaxaca, and here Rodolfo is the one who brings this mezcal from Mitla, which is a part of Oaxaca. So this mezcal is from really the producers. It's not a commercial mezcal,
yeah.
And it's very soft. If you taste it, it's really good. And it's typical from this region. So we love to have this experience with the people that comes here,
yes.
With the music, the photo, the visual, and the taste of mezcal.
Mezcal.
Mezcal is magic.
That is magic.
It's not a drink like other ones. Mezcal, you have to drink carefully and soft because it's strong.
Slowly.
What inspired this exhibition tonight?
Well, the inspiration for me, it's I love nature, and I think that there's a lot of paisajes, of views from our country that I love to share. And there's a lot of places, and we are a big country, and you can find desert, you can find beach, you can find a lot of archaeological places, and we are a very powerful and rich country, and we're very proud of it, and we are very glad to have visitors from other countries and to share that experience.
Yes, I mean
the light is very special here in Mexico. It's very different from
Scotland. Yes, it's very different.
You have to try the sunshine.
Yes, we don't get sunshine. That was definitely the strangest bit of Mexico we've been yet. We're basically in the rough bit. we've came to a gentrified photography exhibition, and when we got off that train, that subway, that metro, I don't know, felt intense. And then I spilled a guy's stuff on the floor by mistake, my foot. Because I saw this surrounded by tacos and people selling things, and I accidentally spilled some of the guy's stuff. The guy was like, "What the fuck are you doing?" And Mexican. I was like, "I'm really sorry. I was going to pull out money, but I don't have any money." So I was just like, I just walked away and just said, "I'm sorry." Repeatedly, I'm sorry. It's probably good I didn't have money because of the camera. If I'd started, pulling things out, it'd have made it longer. It was dodgy, man. It was 10-minute walk, and then we turned the corner and it's just quiet and beautiful, and we're in this amazing place. Grace is doing good DJ. There's 2 amazing photographers having an exhibition. It's free drink all night, and I'm just having my first shit of the day, I think.
This is for the players. This is for the players. Let the bass drop.
Actually trapped in a lift now. Like, am I doing anything wrong here? Right, if you can figure out what I'm doing wrong here, we're going to 6. There you go, man. What the fuck am I doing wrong?
You what, this is dickhead. Sorry, man, I should have told you.
You should have told me,
Do
right?
you know what, I've completely forgot. Yeah. What that?
Alright, yeah, well, that makes sense then.
I heard you shouting this.
I was like, Paul! I was stuck.
Right, now you know, tap that with this fucking phone.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. That is good that you told me now.
I forgot, mate, sorry. All good?
Yes.
Hey, sorry man, I forgot to tell you about the lift.
Yeah, that's so good.
You know, I was sat there thinking, I bet he sussed it, and I could hear.
Well, I just didn't know
I
it.
could hear on the wind like a,
Help me, help me.
But, come here. See those red lights on the top?
Yeah.
There's hills there that you can't see. And what you can't see is that the houses go all the way up the fucking hill. And they cut the electric off at certain points of time, that's why you can't see it. You can see a little bit of it there, but that's Ecatepec, all of it there. That's a rough place, man.
How rough is it? I wouldn't get out.
No, you get robbed.
If I went in, I'd be
You
done.
definitely get robbed, yeah.
What was that?